Hi guys, Home Appliances Advisor presents Children's Day or Bal Diwas in India. 2022 India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru once said, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country," and with Children's Day just around the corner, we could not help but reflect on the same. They say it is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men, and rightly so, since kids are like wet cement. Whatever falls on them makes an impression, so we have to love our children unselfishly, as they are the hands by which we take hold of heaven. Every year, Children's Day is celebrated all across India on November 14th. This day was chosen to celebrate as Children's Day after the death of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, adorably referred to as Chacha Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru celebrated his birthday on November 14th. Nehru was a great advocate for children's right and for an all-inclusive education system where knowledge is accessible to all. He believed that children are the future of the country and the foundation of a society, and hence, everyone's well-being should be taken care of. Earlier, Children's Day was celebrated in India on November 20th, the day World Children's Day is celebrated by the United Nations. However, after the death of Jawaharlal Nehru, a resolution was passed in the Indian Parliament to mark his birthday as Children's Day. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe, comments and share. Prepared by Mohan Chandra Papane.